If you're watching this video on YouTube, you probably need one of these, whether you know it or not. This is called an outlet extender. You put it in there so that you can plug in more things. Probably years and years and years ago, they put in 2 outlets for each outlet thing that you could plug in, not realizing that we would ever have so many things in our lives that we need to plug in as we do today. So I was looking online and I found this one. I thought this is very, very attractive. It's all white. I can plug it into my outlet. It's got a stabilizer. I can plug in 6 things then. It's nice, it's flat, it's white. And I didn't know this, but when I was unboxing it, I see that it has a USB charger and a C-cable charger. So that's a nice bonus for me. I'm very excited about this. So stick around. Let's see if this is going to work as well as I think it will. That is gorgeous. I like this because it has the grounded protection, surge protection, and it also has a place to put the screw in to put in there so that it's going to anchor so that when you start pulling your plugs out, this doesn't come out of the wall. And it comes with a screw. Awesome. Happy. Actually, I'm happy. Oh, that's cute. Not happy. That's cute. Okay, it just gives you the pieces. I need to find the English ones. We have a stabilizing post, a screw, and the outlet extender. Oh my goodness, I didn't even realize this also has USB and a C charger on the top. How awesome is that? Look at that. Cool. Notch for stabilizing post, so that must be this. Goes in and twists around. Well, now how cool is that? They thought of more things than I did. So the screw goes in here, that goes in the outlet, the screw goes in the middle plate of the outlet, and the stabilizer post goes in the bottom of that outlet. Very, very nice. I'm going to put mine here in the kitchen because I have some counter space where I can put some things, plug them in. I'm always running out of plugs in the kitchen, so I'm going to take these out and wipe off my area. Get this cord out of the way. The clothespin. Anybody know what those are? Since I'm working on electricity, I cut the breakers off, which made it dark in here, so I'm using my flashlight that I'm charging to give me some illumination here. I had a video review for this. I love this thing. So most of the time when I put these up, this faceplate has to come off. I'm assuming that's the case here, but I'm going to check. This should just pop in here like this. And I don't think I'm going to have to take the faceplate off. I will cut the power back on, see if it's working before I screw it in. See blue lights on that. See if it will charge my phone. Yeah, you can't see that, but it just told me that it was charging, so it is working. I don't have to take the faceplate off. So I'm going to screw it in. This is a very cool feature. Very happy to have that. I'm going to take the screw that they provided, and I've got to change out because it's a Phillips Change this over to N. I guess it's that simple. And I did it while wearing a dress. So it's pretty cool. It has the blue lights on there to tell you that it still has electricity coming in. I cut the flash off on my phone so we could see that. Hopefully on the video. Very pleased with this. Now I'll test it for a week and see if it's really going to work. This is just so cool having the USB port up here, because now I can just use the cable and plug it in like that and not necessarily have to try to find a wall charger. I think you can probably get this for the same price that you can get a wall charger. And you get all these other features. I'm super, super pleased so far. Super pleased. Now let's plug back in my things that normally go here. Let's see if they're going to be happy. I plugged every single one of them in the wrong way. Yes, we have light. We have a pencil sharpener. Thanks for watching my video about the Anker. Get it? Anker, Anchor, Anker. It's anchored. Outlet extender. If you look in the pinned comments and in the text below this video, I'll provide a link so you can get this exact one, or you can use that link to start searching for what might suit your needs. And if you have time before you go, watch another video. There should be some suggestions floating around out here. And until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems like Anker did. How cool is that? Bye.